Now let's deploy it. We got the contract address. Now it's minting the image. This is the image that we are minting. Let's see. Okay, minted NFT 1, and now NFT 2. So both images are minted. Let's see on our OpenSea testnets.opensea.io. Refresh it. Okay, we have one collection with these two images. Okay, great. We have successfully minted the images and also able to show it in OpenSea. There you can see that we have successfully minted on Golden Network. So these are the details. That's token ID 1, that's the contract address, there it is, through which we have minted this image. So it shows everything in it. You can see that here created the contract, then we have make an epic NFT, minted first NFT, and minted second NFT. So this is the transaction detail. So it's pretty cool. So congratulations, we have successfully minted our first NFT on OpenSea. Okay, now let's move on. We have successfully deployed a contract, and we can see the detail on Etherscan also, and now we can see uh, we can see our image on OpenSea also. Okay, so that is basically uh, URL. Let's create this URL just to see, as we have already seen it, but let's see it again. Insert the contract address, copy it from here, and token ID 0. Now let's place it here. Yes, it is. And we have minted another one. So yes, now we can see both the images on OpenSea testnet.opensea.io. So that's great. Now let's move on to next step. We generate NFT on chain.